Hello everyone. On today's video I'm going to show you how I decorated my little reading corner inspired with the Mackenzie Childs decor. So I found these flowers, they are checkered pattern, and I just started with those. This is the same Christmas tree that I did a video on how I decorated it in glam decor. So now I'm going to decorate it with Mackenzie Childs decor, inspired decor. So here I added some red color, and you are going to see further on how I started inserting different colors or ornaments. So for this, I'm using black checker patterns, red, greens, and gold. This Christmas tree is a quilted Christmas tree. I did a video last year on how you can make one of those. This is how I was going to leave the reading corner, but you're gonna see later on. Then I decided to change everything. And so now I moved the chair and the tree because I put this cubby table that I had around, and we are going to use this to put the Christmas village. So my little helper, this is his thing. This is what he does to decorate. He loves this Christmas village, so he will play with this all Christmas. This is his thing, moving things around every single day. And here's my dining room table. I think I did a video last year. This is pretty much the same thing as last year. And then you have the little reading corner. This bowl, I did this is stuffed fabric. I also did a video on how to make those ornaments, and I think there's a video on that umbrella. I'm not sure about that. Yeah, that's the last video that I did, the heart. And here are all the ornaments that I make. You can see here, this is another stuffed Christmas bowl with different kinds of fabric. And pretty much this is it. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Merry Christmas everyone.